Tonight, people in Kentucky are digging through tornado-stricken neighborhoods and clearing debris after deadly storms damaged hundreds of buildings. It ripped through forests and left many people now homeless. Good evening and thanks for joining us at 11 o'clock. I'm Lindsay Stone. 19 people have died and hundreds now left with nothing. We're seeing a lot of that devastation focused there in Laurel County. That's where we find WWT News 5's Todd Dykes with more.
Overwhelmed is a word I keep hearing from storm survivors here in London, a city of 7,500 people about 80 miles southeast of Lexington. The debris field from Friday night's powerful tornado is so extensive that it's hard to comprehend.
Unreal, devastating.
Aerial footage shows the path the twister followed through multiple subdivisions and a local airport where planes were ripped apart.
We're delivering water, we're delivering hot meals, we got a gym full of stuff, and we're just trying to find needs that we can help meet.
Because that's, you've got stuff at a centralized spot and you're coming out saying, hey, they don't have time to go to
That's
you yet.
right, we're gonna bring it to you.
Families whose homes are now in tatters are trying to move past being shell-shocked to looking through storm debris, searching for keepsakes and mementos.
It's just our biggest thing, our mementos, our family. My parents are gone, my husband's parents are gone, so any pictures, anything I can save for my children.
Cleanup is underway at Lisa Kilburn's house.
And now listen, we have tons of food out there. We've got bedding, pillows, clothes, anything that you need. If you have a financial need, we'll try to meet that.
Kilburn and her husband and their two sons survived Friday night's wicked winds by huddling together in this bathtub. What was it like to be in that tub and to have, you said your older son was on you and your husband's on your other son? I mean, was it just grabbing and hugging and just hoping and praying?
Yes, we prayed and prayed. Just please let pass us by. Just save us, save everybody around us, because all of these people, almost all of them on this road here, has been here more than 30 years or so. We are alive. There's so many, and we're so grateful for that, but there's so many lives lost that we're praying for their families now. Overwhelmed is the word that I continuously use, because that's what it is, completely overwhelmed. You don't ever think that it's gonna happen to you, and when it does, you just have to get you have people that's backing you up, your most important people in your life.
Stories of survival, coupled with the arrival of relief supplies, are giving people here a glimmer of hope that the incredible devastation caused by Friday night's tornado can be dealt with. How long the cleanup process will take is still anybody's guess. Reporting here in Laurel County, Kentucky, Todd Dykes, WWT News 5.